Welcome to the part 2 of this mini course. If you are just joining this mini course series, I will advise you to first view the part 1 of this video. The link is in the description below. In this video, you will learn how to create a link to another web page on your website. You will create a link like this. So, let's get started. But before you continue with this video, you have to create another web page to link to. So create another file with your VS Code editor to begin the process of creating a new web page. Name the file link.html and save it in the same location you saved your first web page. Remember, your first web page is in the My Web folder. Now again open your My Web folder to check your new web page. Open your web page with any browser. I open mine with the Firefox browser. Of course, nothing yet because your web page is still empty. You will now need to add the basic HTML elements like the HTML5 declaration tag, HTML element, head element, and the body element to your web file. But before that, please close your My Web folder for the purpose of convenience. Again, please close your previous web page you created in the part 1 of this video. Now quickly type the HTML5 declaration tag, HTML element, head element, and body element in the link.html file of your Visual Studio Code editor. Save the changes made. It's now time to learn how to create a link. You create a link to another web page by typing the start and end tag of the link element. Then you type the href attribute in the start tag of the link element. This is typed as shown below. The href attribute in the start tag of the link element will take the web visitor to the web page when the HTML link is clicked upon. So, type the start and end tag of the link element inside the body element. Type the word back in between the start and end tag of the link element. Save and refresh your web page. Now go back and type the href attribute into the open tag of your link element. Type index.html, the name of your first web page, in between the quotation marks as the value of the href attribute. Save and refresh your web page. You have now created an HTML link. You will now test your newly created link. So, click on the link of your web page. You can now see that you have been taken to your first web page you created in the part 1 of this video. You will create another link, but this link will be on your first web page. So, go back to the index.html file in your Visual Studio Code editor and type the start and end tag of the link element after the last paragraph. Type the word link in between the start and end tag of the link element. Save and refresh your web page. Remember that you are now on your previous or first web page. Now go back and type the href attribute in the open tag of the link element. Type link.html, the name of the new web page you just created, as the value of the href attribute to link back to your new web page. Save and refresh your web page. Now click on the link to see what happens. Again, you can see how to create a HTML link to another web page. Hope that you enjoyed this video. Feel free to ask any questions on HTML links. I will also advise you to go over this video again and again, practicing how to create HTML links to another web page. Meet you in the part 3 of this video.